The Lost Puppy's Journey Home. Once upon a time, there was a playful little puppy named Max. Max loved exploring, especially when his family took him to the park. One sunny afternoon, while chasing a bright yellow butterfly, Max wandered too far, and before he knew it, he was lost. Max didn't know where he was or how to get back home. But he knew one thing: he had to be brave and find his way back to his family. Scene 1, Meeting the Wise Owl. Just as Max was starting to feel scared, he heard a soft voice above him. "Hello there, little one," said the wise old owl. "You look lost. Can I help you?" Max explained that he needed to find his way home. The owl thought for a moment and said, "Follow the river. It will lead you to the big oak tree, and from there, you'll find your way." Max thanked the owl and trotted off toward the river, feeling a little more hopeful. When Max reached the river, he realized he couldn't swim across. Just then, a friendly beaver popped out of the water. "Need some help?" asked the beaver. The beaver built a small raft out of sticks and helped Max cross the river safely. "Thank you," barked Max, wagging his tail. "You're very welcome," said the beaver. "Good luck on your journey." After crossing the river, Max found the big oak tree just like the owl had said. But he wasn't sure which way to go next. Luckily, a chatty squirrel was there to help. "If you're looking for the town, just follow the path of acorns," said the squirrel, pointing to a trail of acorns on the ground. Max thanked the squirrel and followed the trail, feeling closer to home with every step. At the end of the acorn trail, Max saw something that made his heart leap with joy: his family. They had been looking for him everywhere. "Max, we're so glad you're safe," said his owner, scooping him up in a big hug. Max wagged his